Students, welcome to mathematics class. I am going to solve question number 21. That is, assume x, y, z, w and p are the matrices of order 2 cross n, 3 cross k, 2 cross p, n cross 3 and p cross k respectively. Okay. Choose the correct answer in exercise 21 and 22. First of all, 21. The restriction on n, k and p so that py plus wy will be defined are, which is the correct option among these 4 options. Okay, you have to select a suitable option. So that here, before we are going to solve this particular problem, we have to understand some important concepts here. So these are the two matrices. One is column matrix, another is a row matrix. If you multiply this matrices, means the product of these two matrices is a 3 cross 3. How it is formed? See here. This is the order of the matrix. Column matrix is 3 cross 1. Okay, this is column matrix, and order of this row matrix is 1 cross 3. The order of a newly formed matrix, that is a product of these two matrix, is like this. This is 3 cross 3. This 3 cross 3 is nothing but it is here the row and column. The number of rows of the first matrix and number of columns of a second matrix are equal. That is 3 cross 3. So this is true for all matrices. Okay. So the newly formed matrix have the order 3 cross 3. This 3 cross 3 is derived from the number of rows and number of columns. See here. And this equals to this one. This 3 equals to this 3. See here. This is a row. This is a column. Okay. Like that. Here this is column. This is a row. So the newly formed order is 3 cross 3. That is multiplication. When it is addition, see here, if we add the two matrices of order 2 cross 2, see here, only we can add the matrices of having a same order. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2 and it is a 2 cross 2. So newly formed matrix is that's also 2 cross 2, because here row equals to row and column is equals to column. So 2, that is 2. Column is equals to column. And similarly, difference of two matrices is also same. It is 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. Hence, the newly formed matrix also 2 cross 2. Hence, 2 is equals to 2. 2 is equals to 2. That is 2 cross 2. So that after knowing this, we have to understand this here. I written here the given matrices and order of the matrices here in this section. Say x, y, z, w and p are the matrices of order 2 cross n, 3 cross k, 2 cross p, l cross 3 and p cross k. So when we arrange the matrices and order in like this, x, the order of the x matrix x is 2 cross n, and the order of the matrix y is 3 cross k, and the order of the matrix z is 2 cross p, and the order of the matrix w is n cross 3, and the order of the matrix p is p cross k. See here, py, the product of matrices p and y, the order of the matrix p is p cross k, that is a p cross k, and the order of the matrix y is that is 3 cross k. So as in already we know that here this is row and it is row. There is a p is equals to k and k is equals to 3. Okay, k is equals to 3. Row is equals to column and the column is equals to row. That is, therefore k is equals to 3. We find the value of k is equals to 3. And similarly, the product of p and y, see here p cross k, 3 cross k. So that we have to write here p cross k, because according to the rule, the first means row and column, this one and this one. The product of p and y is py. The order of this matrix is this p and k, that is pk, p cross k. This is the order of newly formed matrix Py after multiplying a P with the Y. Okay, P cross K plus as it is, and also the product of Wy is Wy. This is newly formed matrix, and order of this matrix is N K. Okay, row column 3 equals to 3, N is equals to K, as we see here 3 cross 3. 3 is equals to 3, 1 is equals to 1, like that. N is equals to N cross K. This is N cross K. When you put P is equals to N or N is equals to P, see here, that is nothing but, see here, how it is we get P is equals to N when addition of matrices, this one and this one. When we add the matrices, the newly formed matrix have the order that is P equals to N, K is equals to K. See here, row is equals to row, column is equals to row, so 2 is equals to 2, 2 is equals to 2, that is 2 cross 2, like that. P is equals to N, K is equals to K when we add the matrices. Here we add the matrices, that is P is equals to N. The answer is K is equals to 3 and P is equals to N. The option, correct option is, that is A is equals to, sorry, A is K is equals to 3 and P is equals to N. Similarly, the 22nd question is, if N is equals to P, then the order of the matrix is 7x minus 5z is, say here, we know that the order of the matrix X is, that is, order of the matrix X is, that is 2 cross N, and order of the matrix Z is 2 cross P. Okay, 2 cross P. So that if we multiply any number with any matrix, for example 7 into 8, 3, 5, 6, you get this is 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2. If you multiply this matrix with 7, you get again 2 cross 2. There is no change in the order of the matrix. If you multiply any number with matrix, the order do not change. Means this is a scalar. When you multiply the matrix with the scalar, its order do not get change. Like that, the order of the 7x is same as the order of the x, 2 cross n, that is 2 cross n, minus minus. And order of the matrix 5z, it is same as the matrix of the z, that is 2 cross p, 2 cross p. So here they given that n is equals to p or p is equals to n. Put in place of p n, that is a 2 cross n minus a 2 cross n. Again we get a 2 cross n, because if you subtract the two matrices, you subtract two matrices of 2 cross 2, again you get a 2 cross 2. So that this is the order of the newly formed matrix is 2 cross 2 also. Like that, you get a 2 cross n minus 2 cross n is nothing but it is also 2 cross n. The option of this question is, that is a B, 2 cross n. Okay, thank you.